cookie set. Let's make it. Let's make it. What is this?
That looks like, let's see.
Oh, I know what it is.
Probably icing. Icing. Let's see what else. What else is there?
There's gum. These are in the same packet. We have these candies.
What are they?
I don't know. It's it.
Try one.
Let's try one. They're hard.
They look like fireball lava things.
They're not hard.
What else is there?
They're so hard. Gummies. There's the gummies.
There's some gummy dinosaurs. What else is there to make the volcano with?
This with stuff and this.
Alright, can you hand me that packet over there? Alright, we gotta read the directions. Ready? Massage icing pack until icing feels smooth and consistent inside. Is this the icing pack?
Yeah.
White icing. Okay, here. Do you know how to massage it? Give it a massage.
I want the gummies. Like this.
Yeah, does it feel like it's ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let me see. Aivy, you wanna give it a try?
You just ruined it.
No, this is how you do it. You have to make it smooth. Swish it around, Aivy.
You're good.
To start the flow of icing, cut a small opening at one of the corners of the icing pouch. Be sure not to cut the opening too large. Your icing is now ready to squeeze. Line the 4 canals of the Simple Start tray with a strip of icing. Alright, so this must be our Simple Start tray. So here, Keegan, you use the scissors and cut a corner. You're all done. You put your back into it already. Nice job. How many lava rocks are in your mouth? Could you zoom in on the lava rocks in this mouth right here? Holy smokes. I think there's like 6 in there. Let me see, open up. 1, 2, 3, 4 lava rocks. Okay. Line the canal on the 4 sides with icing. You have to squeeze.
I hope it is put too big.
Keep squeezing, dude. Alright, lick it.
I wanna try it. Wait, it's oil, white oil.
No, it's icing. Try it. Aivy, lick it.
I'm coming for these.
Yum? Does it taste better than the lava rocks? What are you doing with that? Alright, ready? Holding one of the volcano pieces upright, line a strip of icing on the left side of the cookie. Like this, Keegan. So grab a piece and line a strip of icing on it.
So this.
Look, the lava goes down like that, so the lava has to go there. Look, Keegan.
It only has 3 pieces. Oh, 4.
Yeah, so you have to make it into a triangle like in the picture.
Like this?
Hand me another one of those.
Do I put it here?
You're gonna have to put all the pieces together. I don't know what that piece does yet, Aivy.
It'll go there.
Do you think so?
That one goes there. Oh, it's wobbly. Here, Mom.
Thank you, I don't need that yet though.
It's
I
not
don't
so
know what that piece does.
wobbly.
Alright, get another piece of wall, Keegan. Volcano wall.
I will win you.
Alright.
Now one more.
Alright, now that one, maybe just a little bit of glue on. Where do you want it?
Wait, no, we didn't put glue on that.
Okay, you want it right there?
No, Mom.
What is?
That's not the dressing called.
Do you want more glue?
No.
Got enough glue there? You gotta stick it in the canal. You don't want the hot lava to scare you?
It's not real hot lava. If you think it's in the
Alright.
now we take them off. Greg, you
Hey,
know
you.
what this is for.
Lava rocks. Alright, ready for the next directions?
No,
You guys have to gently peel edible lava decal off. Ice the back of the decal and carefully place it onto the volcano, smoothing from the inside out. Break apart or crush the cookie rocks and add icing to help them stick. Those are the cookie rocks. You have to break into pieces. Not those. Those are lava rocks. Those are cookie rocks. Decorate your cookie volcano any way you want.
How do we do it really hard? We made a roller.
I'm guessing these are the decals. Should we find out what's in here? Do you want to cut it with your scissors?
Sure.
I'll break your cookie rocks for you while you cut.
Don't break them.
Cut it big. Do you think it's the decals?
Mommy, I got all the pieces. I want to eat these.
You already ate 4 of those, little girl.
Huh? I want
You're the lava
I
rock
actually
monster.
want some more.
You can't eat those either. We need those for this. This is going to be one sparse volcano. Do you need help with that, Keegan?
Yummy!
Is it lava?
We need to put it on here. Now that is good.
Okay, do you know where it goes?
It's a sucker. It goes right here.
Good guess. And it's edible. Here you go, Eve.
Let's
Put
see.
it on there.
It's edible. Can I take a bite out of it?
Yeah. Looks like paper.
It's gum!
No way. How's it smell? Does it smell like anything?
It's gum!
It feels like paper.
It's gum.
Is it? I'm gonna take a bite.
And ask me when we have one.
It tastes like paper.
A whole thing.
I don't think you can do it.
Then,
Uh-oh. Okay. Now you have to glue some of these things on there. Do you want to glue this on,
it
Eve?
tastes so good.
Here, Keegan, find a spot for this.
We actually do need to.
Alright, now we need to glue all of these other things on there. Don't just eat them, you lava monster.
I'm not a lava monster. I don't eat all of those. I don't wake all of these. We might just. Let me have one of them.
Try and see.
I go to here.
Alright, where's a good spot for some of these dinosaurs, do you think?
Oh, a good fall right there. Oh, I broke part of it.
Those dinosaurs look really tasty. I wish I had more dinosaurs.
What?
Doesn't it?
There's more. See?
Oops, I put that on upside down.
Oh, look!
Did you get to the inside?
It's part of the way in there. A dinosaur sickle. Hope you guys don't think this is a real edible dinosaur. Yay!
Oh, you got dinosaur stickers? Stickers. Don't put the stickers on the part that is edible. That's not a dinosaur. What is that?
Can I put it on something that's edible?
Not if you want to eat this something that's edible. Okay, you guys ready to cut up the dinosaurs?
Yeah!
Keegan, where are your scissors? Here, Aivy, use yours. Mine, of course, are the sharp ones. Okay, Aivy, what do you want to cut? Grass? Who's this, Keegan? Do you know this one?
What? Wait. Is that edible cardboard?
No.
What?
All right, Aivy. You want to cut a dinosaur? Or do you want to cut grass?
Mama cut glass.
You want to cut grass, Keegan?
And I want to cut dinosaur.
You want to cut a dinosaur, Aivy?
Cut in the glass. Yes, I'm cutting the glass. All we have to do is just cut out a square. This is so weird. Can you help me, Mom?
Sure, of course. If anybody knows who this dinosaur is, please comment down below.
Oh, that's not what I'm saying. He's the T-Rex. And all the dinosaurs that don't live with humans don't have names.
But the name of the dinosaur, the kind of dinosaur.
T-Rex! Let's put this T-Rex guy in. I finished my glass.
You need a grass hold on?
You already finished, Mom.
There's that whole little black section that needs to come out still.
I want you blue.
You
Yeah.
want blue?
But you don't need to take it out.
Well, you do whatever looks like it's gonna work out best. This guy has the world's smallest little dinosaur hands. Do you see his little tiny dinosaur hands?
Because the big dinosaurs have small.
Hold it up and show Daddy. You find a spot for that dinosaur, Keegan?
Yeah.
You're my boy, Blue. Is that what they say in Jurassic Park?
No, I don't think so.
No, I don't
And
think
the
so either.
walls on the top. Hey, it's falling in. Wanna put it in? Okay. Wait, Blue's gonna be walking. Ah! The wall is falling on him. He jumps up. And he jumps here, and that wall is still falling on him. So he goes here, and he's not touching the lava. Wait, we're not. He's inside! Can you see it? Comment down below if you can see it. Tell us how it looks. Let me see. I can see him. I wanna see. Oh, there's two in there.
Oh no, it's erupting!
Whoa! Whoa, let's place these on here. Let's place them on.
I'll eat one. Don't you will take ours. You will take ours.
Maybe that's it, yeah.
Nom 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 nom. Nom nom.
Do you think that will taste good putting them on there?
I want to eat one. I want some.
It's called. Oh no, the volcanoes are collapsing. The volcano's collapsing. The volcano is collapsing. Well, the fixers are fixing the volcano. It's all fixed. Thanks for watching, friends. Now we're gonna eat our volcano.
Oh, yeah.
Don't forget to like and comment down below. Bye.